tell you, if I leave the house without a clean bed, oh, it's over. It's over for everyone that talks to me or try to talk to me. Baby, we gotta make this bed right here. Hello lovelies, so this is Curly Indie One checking back in with you guys. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you could join the family. But yes, it is 6 a.m. and a girl gotta get up and be proactive, productive. The first thing of 6 a.m. is turning on those lights so you can actually see. It's real. It's definitely real. We about to get into it. When I tell you, if I leave the house without a clean bed, oh, it's over. It's over for everyone that talks to me or try to talk to me. Baby, we gotta make this bed right here. We definitely gotta make it. Oh yeah, it's looking pretty good if you ask me. All I need to do is just tighten up. That's why you see I was fixing my pillows earlier, because I sleep wild. I definitely sleep wild. So my pillows be falling on the floor, my bonnet be coming off. But guess what? I got a good sleep. Okay? Period. But yeah, my 6 a.m. always start with cleaning, freshening up, making sure everything is tidy. And yeah, let's get right into it. Music, please.
Certified quality. That the girl them need and I cry for every day without apology. Put them the right way, that's my policy. Shonda Paul alongside Beats by Luca. I'm here the man say this. I'm dirty, yeah. Big dirty, yeah. Dirty, yeah. Dirty, yeah. Beyonce, tell me all about the things that you were fantasize. I know you dig the way me step, the way me make me stride. Follow your feeling, baby girl, because they cannot be denied. Come check me in the night, I make me get it amplified. But if you run the ship, me not go slip, me not go slide. In other words, the love I got to give me certified. Give me the toughest, longest time for ride. Girl, me and you together is a rock that girl. Drive round the town in a your drop top girl. In a stop shop girl. Even when you don't you want rock that world, it's a top top girl. Me and you together is a rock that girl. Drive round the town in a your drop top girl. In a stop shop girl. Even when you don't you want rock that world, it's a top top girl. Me and you together is a rock that girl. Drive round the town in a your drop top girl. In a stop shop girl. Even when you don't you want rock that world, it's a top top girl. Me and you together is a rock that girl. Drive round the town in a your drop top girl. In a stop shop girl. Even when you don't you want rock that world, it's a top top. Yo, this is Rico down the London City Wallard. And right now, you're listening to DJ Luca. Yo, Luca, run with him, little boy.
Dreams, yeah. The girl of mine, she looked like a girl of my dreams. Now time to do this laundry. Yes, you see that? And there's some over here as well. Huh. Let's get into it. And it's only, hold on. And it's only 7:30, so that's pretty good. Yes, baby. We, like, if you can't tell by now, I am a morning person, and especially when my room is clean, the house is clean, this, that, and the third. So yes, let's get back into this music, but I had to come and talk to you guys and see how productive this 6 a.m. morning routine is. Like, all BS aside, my floors are clean. When I tell you being a cat lady is the worst, being a cat lady is the worst, because all this cat hair everywhere, dust, oh my goodness. But Yeah, let's do this laundry.
Yeah, sometimes we laugh, sometimes we cry, but I guess you know now, baby. I took a half and she took the whole thing. Slow down, baby. We took a trip, now we on your block, and it's like a ghost town, baby. Where did these niggas be at when they say they going out this and all that? Tired of beefing you punch, you can't even pay me enough to react. Been waking up in the crib, and sometimes I don't even know where I'm at. Please don't play that nigga songs in this party, I can't even listen to that. Anytime that I run into somebody, it must be a victory lap. Hey, shawty come sit on my lap. Hey, they saying Tracy just snap. This is between us, it's not like a store, this isn't a closable gap. Hey, I see some niggas attack and don't end up making it back. I know that they at the crib going crazy down bad, but they had it didn't last, damn baby. Yeah, where did these niggas be at when they say they doing all this and all that? And I never been embraced, and the money's hard to make, so I bet they on their face right now. When he tell the story, that's not how I went. Know they be lying 100%. Moved out of risk and forgot about the bed. Now they just call me to tell me come get it. Now that boy off and I don't want no credit. If it was me, they wouldn't regret it. Left me for dead and now they won't get it. Heart is still beating, my niggas still eat it. Make sure they look like the garden they eat it. Girls so good, I'm spilling.
It's dangerous. When you're comfortable, you are at most danger. The comfort zone is somewhere you should never feel comfortable. You should be happy and dissatisfied. Anybody ever tell you, hey, look, you know what? Just be satisfied with what you got. Don't believe them. Get them away from you. You should never be satisfied with what you got. Because the attempt to get more makes you into something better all the time.
Hello lovelies, so I hope everyone enjoyed my 6 a.m. morning routine, and now time to go to the gym. But don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn on your notification bar so you see when I post a new video. Yes, a lot of great content coming soon, you can see by the background, lol. But yes, like, comment. I love to hear from you guys, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on your notification. Okay, bye lovely. Mwah.